linkage between people, planet and profit. Human resources professionals can and should play a very significant role in inculcating the right spirit of attitude towards this. My government is on an endeavour to showcase Kerala as a preferred destination for business investment in South India. The Healthy Human Development Index of Kerala is already acclaimed and acknowledged all over the world. Now we are on a committed effort to create more business investment and employment opportunities. I urge human resources professionals to carry this positive message from Government of Kerala that God's own country is a changed place for investment with a government and people committed to support environment-friendly businesses. From my experience in labor and trade union movement, I am of the opinion that HR professions can play the most important role in sending the right message of a changed Kerala to the investment community in India and abroad. Trade union leadership across parties in Kerala have matured over the years. Kerala labour is intelligent and highly productive, and quality of life is the best in the country. This is